Hey everyone, I'm Devika and welcome to our today's special episode that is dedicated to the upcoming Teachers' Day. So I wanted to talk about a book that had left a great impact in my life in terms of how I look at teaching or how I look at teachers. And now you can also say that this book has had a great impact on me and made me, take up teaching as a profession or get into the education sector. So this is the book. It's called To Serve with Love and the author is Iya Braithwaite. Now why I chose to talk about this book on Teachers' Day is because this is, as you can see from the title, is talking about a sir, a teacher. And I'll tell you an episode that's associated with this. Now that dates back to class 9, and this book is actually also, dates back to my class 9 days. Okay, and it has been a prized possession since then. I've read it maybe 10-12 times and I do want to read it again very soon. Now, our English language teacher, when we were in class 9, asked us to read this particular book as a homework. Okay, so we were approaching our summer holidays and our teacher gives us this particular title, asks us to get a hold of this book, and she tells us to read it thoroughly so that when we come back from the vacation, she would ask us questions from it. Now, I used to love reading, but the whole idea of having it as a homework and also to be able to memorize it or remember all the aspects of it so that once we are back in school we need to answer questions, that kind of can be a little kind of a monotonous because we do homeworks on a daily basis, and we as students we don't want homeworks during our vacation. But then okay, we got it as a task, as a homework, and we reluctantly accepted it. I went ahead into the holidays, we got hold of this book and I started reading, and few pages into the book, and that's when my whole perception about why I should be reading this book changed. So from being forced into reading this, I actually started enjoying reading it, and I finished off in a couple of days actually. The whole theme of the novel is something that will keep you engaged throughout, and it is really a heart-touching one. Okay, a must-read for all students, but not limited to just students. People of all age groups can read it because although it talks about a teacher, it teaches us a very good thing about life in general and about how we look at people or how we treat people. Okay, so I won't tell you the story of the novel, but I'll just give you a brief idea of what this is. Okay, so it begins with a person who was into military and he got injured and he had to move out and look for other jobs, and he was rejected from several jobs because of his color. Okay, so he was in this desperate search of a job, and he got to know about a slum kind of a school in East London. And also note that this was the incidents in this book dates back to I think 1950s. Okay, so the events revolves around that. Okay, and so he accepted this job offer in the East London school, and to his surprise he was welcomed by a bunch of teenage students who were not at all interested in studying. Okay, and apart from that they did not accept him because maybe you can attribute that to his color. So he faced a lot of rejection from the students, but then he did not give up. The students tried their best to make his life as worse as possible. But then he didn't give up. He did the task of a teacher, to perfection. He was so determined to, change the life of all these students. So he had this great impact on their lives, and this particular novel will take you on this man's journey as to how his efforts and his acts changed the way the students looked at him. Okay, so as students we do respect our teachers, but we also have the sense of fear. So this book might actually change your entire perception of why we shouldn't be afraid of our teachers. We should actually do what the teacher expects us to do, because we need to show that as a gratitude, as a sense of responsibility as a student towards all the hardships that the teacher puts in to teach us. Okay, so this book will if you're a student and reading this will make you appreciate all the hardships that the teacher does for you, and also it's written in very simple English, so it can be understood by English learners of all kinds. And as I always say, reading is a very good habit to enhance your vocabulary, so why not pick up this book and read it. So you can pick up the paper book version. I think you have it on Kindle, audiobooks, any kind, but do read it, and it will definitely be a life changer, and it will change the way you look at teachers in particular and people in general, and we'll understand that we need not differentiate or judge people based on their race, color, creed, etc. It's the actions, the acts that people do towards their students or society in general is what makes them deserve the respect that we need to shower on them. So that's about it from my end in today's video, and a happy Teachers Day to everybody, to all the teachers globally, and to all my teachers who have played a great role in making me be what I am today. So thank you to all the teachers worldwide. You all are doing a great job, and hats off to all the teachers. And teaching is definitely one of the toughest jobs on earth for sure. And that's about it for today's video. I shall be up with another video very soon. Until then, take care of yourselves. See you all soon. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.